Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, January 10th, 2014, and the U.S. stock market is closed. I posted on Twitter today that mankind sucks. And the reason being is we had a stock with Mankind Corporation that yesterday on the close was worth over $12,000 in open trade equity, and by the time we got out of it today, it was down to about $2,500. So that's the reason I say mankind sucks today. We just had some trouble with most of our trades, but shrinking. But mankind was the one that really hurt us. We came in to. We were on the close yesterday. We had about $22,000 in open trade equity, and we closed it out today. We had about half that, about 11.5. Well, you know, things have been so good lately that I can sit here and complain about only making $11,500, but we just been really spoiled lately. So we closed out 11.5, but the good news is we are carrying $8,239 in open trade equity over the weekend, and we got some really nice trades that I think could really expand. You know, that was part of the problem yesterday. I kind of realized this in hindsight, is that we had great open trade equity, but the things that we had were so good that it was pretty unlikely they were going to get better today. And when you have a stock like Mankind up $12,000, you know, how much further is that going to go? And you know, profit takers came in and took our profits away. But anyway, a good day. $11,500 in closeout trades. We're carrying over $8,000 in open trade equity. The Dow, again, it's just doing sideways stuff. It closed -7 today, and so everything looks good. Let's take a look at those charts. Okay, here, this is the Dow Jones Industrial Average, of course, and you can see, you know, we had the sell-off a couple days ago, and it's just continued to go into this kind of flattening, sideways pattern, and this, you know, I think it was down, 14 yesterday, down 7 today. This market is not going down. This thing is just setting up for a blast off, and looking at this, I wouldn't surprise me if we saw it on Monday. Monday could be a big up day, and with us holding positive $8,000, that could really expand into some nice profits on Monday. Anyway, that's what I'm hoping for. I'll show you a couple of our interesting charts here. This was a trade we closed out. It was in Incest Pharmaceuticals, ISIS. And this was one of the trades that didn't go to pot the way that Mankind Corporation did. And we had bought this actually 2 days ago, right out of the gate, and it just kept going. And then yesterday it kept going more, and it was so strong that we decided, well, I didn't decide, but the system decided to keep this for another day. And at first, on the open, along with Mankind, it looked like this thing was just going to sink, and I'm thinking, oh God, what can we do? Both Mankind and ISIS is going down. We're going to give all away those beautiful profits, but ISIS, unlike Mankind, came back, and we ended up getting out here about where it closed. Of course, if we had a crystal ball, we would have held it maybe to the close, and we would have made a little more, but we still took out over $8,000, took out $8,000 out of ISIS Pharmaceuticals. So I'm very pleased with that. Now I'll show you one more interesting trade. And of course I botched things up here. Let's see here if I can do this. Yes. This is in INSY, which is Incest Therapeutics. Obviously it's probably some kind of medical stock. We had bought this yesterday toward the close of the day, and then it actually closed negative, opened against us this morning, and then this thing just really took off, and it took off so strongly. I think this is up like over 12% if I recall correctly, but anyway, it was such a strong move that we are going to hold this over the weekend and probably get out of it on Monday. Anyway, we are holding over $3,000 in Incest Therapeutics, INSY. So on balance, hey, it wasn't as great as we would have liked, but it was still a great day. It was a great day ending out a great week. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you again on Monday.